is like so rainy today.
Going back in.
Oh, it's not as rainy as it was just before. But the deck is like a pool of your feet.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Look, my foot is underwater.
It's so clean. I love it. The boat.
Yeah.
So good and clean.
We should really get some brooms and start cleaning the boat. And we're cleaning. I am cleaning.
But racing's cancelled.
Yeah, and the racing's cancelled today. This is one of my dream boats. Little gunboat. They're so cool and so fast. I think that's the gunboat 68. It's huge. We are up early and we're getting fuel. And my job is to watch the fuel go up on our little drum charger. Tell them when it's on 100. So we are pulling into a little bay. I have no idea what it's called. What is this place called? Peniscola. And there's this big cool castle on the hill. We're just gonna anchor right here. We woke up at 6 and then we've started our today's little journey to Valencia. And we've been fishing all day, right? We've caught 7 bonitos. 7. We've got one like every 10 minutes. No, we've been going for a few hours now, but we go on like every 10-20 minutes. It's crazy. Yeah, I wanted to see if we really catch one every 10 minutes. So I put on an alarm for 10 minutes, right? And as soon as the alarm went off, we had already caught a fish. We caught a fish as soon as the alarm went off. There's a lot of them out here. So it's been a little while actually since we caught our last fish. It's been like maybe an hour now, because we kind of stopped catching them for that whole part. And we've got another one. I think it's a bit bigger than the other ones, but I don't know. Caught a little tunny. Little tunny. Woo! Another fish. 8th bonito. Bye bye. So we got to the marina yesterday. It's kind of late, and last night it was looked at lightning. I think we had 35 knots. I wasn't up though. I was sleeping. Today we're getting the sail fixed, getting all the bands off. Yeah, we're gonna get it taken off the mast because there was a little part that had ripped a little bit. Yeah, this is the marina. Cruise ship over there, and there's loads of boats. It was like a big pirate ship that came in before, and it's bowsprit out, what's a bowsprit? Bowsprit is part that sticks out on the front of your boat for sail. Our one is probably about a meter, and their one was probably like 13 meters. No, it was really long though. No, getting the sail taken off. There's the new halyard. Now the whole sail part is done. Now there's a sail. Our whole sail is just sitting in a bundle right there. And it's gonna get brought back to us in a few days, and it'll be all stitched up and looking nice. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe and tune in next Friday for a new video. See you then!